Our solar system, where we've lived for over 4.5 billion years, is slowly but constantly changing. What if I told you this isn't its first form, and definitely not its last? The story of our solar system began 4.6 billion years ago, from nothing more than an immense, swirling cloud of dust and gas in space. Gravity began to pull all that mass together. The cloud's core grew denser, hotter, and eventually ignited, giving birth to our sun. The leftover dust and gas orbiting the young sun started clumping together into small pieces, much like tiny rocks gradually forming larger and larger boulders. This process, called accretion, was the very beginning of how every planet we see today came into existence. But in its early days, our solar system wasn't nearly as peaceful as you might imagine. It was truly a cosmic battlefield. After hundreds of millions of years of chaos, our solar system finally stabilized, becoming home to the 8 planets we know so well. From the small, rocky planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, orbiting closest to our Sun, to the colossal gas giants further out, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, each boasting rings and numerous moons. And let's not forget dwarf planets like Pluto, which, though not a full planet, is part of the Kuiper Belt, teeming with billions of icy objects. Each planet possesses its own unique characteristics, vastly different sizes, atmospheres, and surface conditions. But here's something even more astonishing. Our solar system hasn't always contained this exact number of planets. In the very early days of the solar system, it's believed that a multitude of planets, both large and small, orbited in chaotic disarray. One of the most fascinating theories involves a planet called Theia, believed to be roughly the size of Mars. Around 4.5 billion years ago, Theia violently collided with our young Earth, creating the largest impact in our planet's history. The debris from that colossal collision was flung into space, gradually coalescing to form the moon we see every night. Beyond Theia, scientists also hypothesized there was once a 5th gas giant planet orbiting between Jupiter and Saturn. But due to the immense gravitational forces of the other giant planets, it was eventually ejected from our solar system, becoming a rogue planet adrift in vast space. So, what will our solar system look like in just 1,000 years? On an astronomical scale, it might not seem to change much. But for humanity, this period will see immense technological advancement. We might begin exploring and even settling on Mars. Perhaps building massive space stations orbiting Earth, or even mining resources from various asteroids. Earth might remain our primary home, but other planets in the solar system will no longer just be distant points of light. The sun will brighten and get slightly hotter, but these changes won't severely impact Earth within the next 1,000 years. However, the truly massive and inevitable changes are still millions, even billions, of years away. In approximately 5 billion years, our sun will begin to run out of hydrogen fuel in its core. It will dramatically expand, transforming into a red giant star hundreds of times larger than its current size. Mercury and Venus will be completely engulfed by the sun. Our Earth will become a scorched, barren planet, devoid of all life. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers, forming a beautiful planetary nebula. At its core will remain a dense, glowing remnant, a white dwarf star, which will slowly cool and fade into eternal darkness. The distant gas giants might continue to orbit the white dwarf, but it will be a desolate, dark solar system. But the story doesn't end there. In trillions of years, the white dwarf will extinguish, becoming an invisible black dwarf. Any remaining planets will slowly be perturbed by the gravitational pull of other stars passing by. Eventually, our solar system will completely dissolve. Every planet will drift away into the cold, dark void of space. No sun, no planets, nothing remaining. Our solar system will simply become a historical memory within the cosmos. This is the life cycle of stars and solar systems across this vast, enormous universe. From dust clouds to stars, from chaos to calm. From planets that once existed and are now gone to the planets we inhabit today. And from the present to the inevitable end in the far, far future. The story of our solar system is filled with wonder, violence, and a beauty that constantly transforms over time. It reminds us that nothing lasts forever, not even our home in this universe. If you are amazed by this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more incredible cosmic tales.